Hello, welcome back to another artifacts video. This time I'm going to be looking at track mats. So, track mats are a way of obscuring some of the information behind the clip. So if we take a look at what we've got here, I've got basically this box here, and then behind that we've got this video clip. So let's look at what using a track mat will do. Now the first thing you need to mention is that the track mat will always go on top of the movie. So let's try using a luma mat here and see what happens. And you'll see it's cut out everything, and it's cut out this section that was white, right? So what that means is you could say that luma is for white, and we'll look at it in a minute with the alpha channel, that's more for black, right? So that's all it's done. It's cut it down. And also notice that you can no longer see this layer here. It removes the visibility of this layer. So that is what you could say a track mat does, a luma mat. Similarly, if we did the luma inverted, see it does the opposite. We can see everything but the stuff that was white. Okay, let's go back to 0. Now what I want to do is we're going to put a new text layer in. And we'll just type in here alpha to show this. We'll put that in the middle. And this is, in this situation, you're going to want to use an alpha mat. So this will look at the black stuff and then just show everything behind it. All right, so we don't actually need this box anymore. So now we're going to do an alpha mat. And you'll see now the background is showing through the letters of the black text. And similarly, if I did alpha inverted, everything's showing except for the what is in the alpha channel there. So thanks for watching.